My name is David Stingl. As a small business owner in downtown Langley, it was losing the Good Times Cruisin' that finally pushed me into the realization I needed to get involved. My goal is to bring a car show back to Langley City. Events like the Good Time Cruisin', Arts Alive, these are vital for places like Langley and cities and communities like Langley. It's what brings people to our community. The Good Times Cruisin', I think, there were some years we did 60,000, there were some years we did 80,000 people, 100,000 people from all over North America. It puts Langley City on the map. My name is David Stingl, and I'm running for Langley City Council.